A is for ant. A is for ant. Ant. Ant I spell A-N-T. Ant. B is for bear. B is for bear. Bear I spell B-E-A-R. Bear. C is for cow. C is for cow. Cow I spell C-O-W. Cow. D is for dog. D is for dog. Dog I spell D-O-G. Dog. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. Elephant I spell E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. F is for fish. F is for fish. Fish I spell F-I-S-H. Fish. G is for gorilla. G is for gorilla. Gorilla I spell G-O-R-I-L-L-A. Gorilla. H is for horse. H is for horse. Horse I spell H-O-R-S-E. Horse. I is for iguana. I is for iguana. Iguana I spell I-G-U-A-N-A. Iguana. J is for jellyfish. J is for jellyfish. Jellyfish I spell J-E-L-L-Y-F-I-S-H. Jellyfish. K is for kangaroo. K is for kangaroo. Kangaroo I spell K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O. Kangaroo. L is for lion. L is for lion. Lion I spell L-I-O-N. Lion. M is for monkey. M is for monkey. Monkey I spell M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. N is for nest. N is for nest. Nest I spell N-E-S-T. Nest. O is for octopus. O is for octopus. Octopus I spell O-C-T-O-P-U-S-T. Octopus. P is for pig. P is for pig. Pig I spell P-I-G. Pig. Q is for quail. Q is for quail. Quail I spell Quail. Quail. R is for rabbit. R is for rabbit. Rabbit I spell Rabbit. Rabbit. S is for snail. S is for snail. Snail I spell Snail. Snail. T is for tiger. T is for tiger. Tiger I spell Tiger. Tiger. U is for umbrella. U is for umbrella. Umbrella I spell Umbrella. Umbrella. V is for violin. V is for violin. Violin I spell Violin. Violin. W is for watermelon. W is for watermelon. Watermelon I spell Watermelon. Watermelon. X is for fox. X is for fox. Fox I spell Fox. Fox. Y is for yellow. Y is for yellow. Yellow I spell Yellow. Yellow. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra. Zebra I spell Zebra. Zebra.